The Regions tab is where you can find a listing of all the regions in your world and enable or disable them. This is also where you can set your landing regions, orientation region, and featured regions. Your list of regions will appear as a collection of cards. Each card shows you the region's name and ID. On the top left of the card, whether the region is a single user orientation region, landing region, or featured region. Clicking the three-dot menu will give you customization options for that region. If you click Edit Region, a new page will open. Here you can change the region's name and description. To change a region's loading image to a custom one, click Browse and select the new image you want. To change the region's template, select a new one from the available templates below. Press Save Changes when you are done. To create a new region, click the Create Region button and fill in the details. At the top, you can get a quick idea of how many regions are enabled and how many are featured, landing or orientation regions. The Avatars tab is where you can browse and select the collection of default avatars your users will be able to use in your world. On the left, you can browse and view each one of your current default avatars. On the right side, you can toggle avatars on and off by clicking their cards. You can also select one of the categories to choose different sets of pre-selected avatars. If you would like to upload your own default avatars, select the uploaded category, and then click the Upload Outfit button. You can then select your custom outfit ID. Click Browse to upload an image for your custom ID. Press Save Changes when you're done. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.